Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm so excited. I got my Sephora order for the Sephora sale. It just arrived yesterday. And also yesterday I did go to Sephora just to pick up a couple of items for the Sephora sale. So some of these items are repurchases and others are kind of new finds. So I have a lot of stuff. I didn't realize that until now. And actually 2 items are a birthday present, so I already wrapped it and put them aside. It's a birthday present for someone, so I put that aside already. So let's get into it. Now I'm going to start with hair care and body care first. So let's start, oh, by the way, I put everything in my little Sephora bag when I went to Sephora. And stuff that was I got online from Sephora is also in this bag as well. So let's start with body care, I guess. So I only have 1 body care item, actually 3, but the other 2 are the birthday presents. So this is the Rare Beauty Fine Comfort Hydrating Hand Cream. I love the smell of this. I already tested it out and I just smelled it and kind of smelled it and then kind of just put a tiny bit on my hands. I'm gonna do that now because I absolutely love the smell of it. It smells so good. The hand cream is definitely going into my purse because I absolutely love the smell of it. It's amazing. I do also, when I was at Sephora yesterday, I did want to pick up some of the other Find Comfort items, but I didn't. I just ended up getting this. And then the other, okay, now we're doing hair care. Now I already applied it to my hair this morning for after I took a shower, and so far I'm liking it. I can already see the shine. It's amazing. This is the JVN Complete Nourishing Shine Drops. So this helps with frizz. It is silicone free, which I really like, and it doesn't wear hair down. And again, that's a plus for me. So far, I like it. The only thing is it's a dropper. I mean, well, I think like all the oils are droppers, or some of them. I don't really like that, but I'm gonna get used to it. I think I really do like this hair oil so far. Okay, quickly off camera, I'm going to do a little bit of skin prep because we have some skincare items that I want to share and do a demo of. Okay, so actually the item that I got there's 2 kind of skincare items that I got. So in my last video, I mentioned that I'm going to be getting stuff from the Sephora sale, and I did mention the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. I loved it. And there's still some left in this travel size, which now I'm going to keep as my travel size for when I'm traveling, obviously. And I got the full size, which I'm so excited about. Again, this was the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. I love the bottle, or the glass bottle. It looks so cool. I absolutely love it. So I actually did not open it. I wanted to wait until I was filming this video to actually open it with you guys. So I do like to sometimes pour it in my hand. Other times I do use a cotton round. Today I'm going to use a cotton round just to apply it. And I've used this a bunch of times on my channel before. This is something that is not new to me, and I really do love this toner. It's one of my favorites. I don't love the smell of this toner, but it definitely does work. I'm going to apply my moisturizer and my sunscreen off camera, and then we can go into the new lip balm that I got. Also from the Sephora sale, I wanted to get a new Laneige lip balm. And I didn't want to get one of the lip sleeping ones. I just wanted to get a normal lip balm. So this is the Laneige Lip Treatment Balm. And when I opened this, and kind of when I saw it online, I was like, this reminds me of the Meet the Robinsons, like bowler hat guy, like the hat. This is what it reminds me of. I'll put a picture of it here to show. But that totally is what it reminds me of. I think it's so cool. I love that it has a little applicator. All of the Laneige lip balms comes with its own applicator, and I like that it kind of clips into here, which I would like that with the lip sleeping mask because I just have my little applicator just laying around next to my lip balm, and I would rather have, I mean, it does have a little pouch, but I would rather have like something to put it in the lip balm, which, I mean, it's okay. So let's try it. I haven't tried this one. I haven't tried anything that's new here. Smell first? It's an okay smell. I don't know. Okay, let's try it. the same texture as the lip balm, or as the lip sleeping mask. Ooh, do I like this. And I like this applicator better rather than the lip sleeping mask applicator. It moves around very easily and this one doesn't, which I like. Okay, great lip balm. I feel, I don't know, is it tingling a little bit? My lips are tingling a little bit from this now. It took a second. They're just tiny bit, I feel. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. Okay, next is a new product from, well, not really new, but new to me, from One Size Beauty. This is the Secure the Sweat Dry Till Dawn primer. I am so excited to try it. I heard so many good things about this primer for oily skin, and I'm really excited. So, and again, I didn't open it, so I was waiting to open it on camera. So it has the seal on it right now, and it has the pokey end on the, oh no, I did it too much and some came out. Oops. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Oops. And the packaging kind of reminds me of like that hand cream, kind of. Okay, let's apply it. I'm going to just distribute it in my palm. And then normally I'm going to apply this in the T-zone and then kind of with what's ever left, I'm going to spread it out into the rest of the face. Wow, okay. So far, I really like it. I like the texture. We'll see how it applies with the makeup. I love it so far. I'm going to skip some steps because I don't have a new foundation and I don't have a lot of new other things for the makeup, so I'll be right back with my foundation on. Next, I have a cream blush. Now, this is a brand that I've never tried before, and I'm so excited to try it. This is the ISL Higher Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush, and I got the shade Humble. Looks like this. Let's try it. I'm going to pick a tiny bit of this up, just apply it to cheek. Wow. I love this shade. This was a perfect shade to get. I'm just going to apply it to all of my areas where I like to apply my blush. And then I'm going to go in with my foundation brush just to blend the edges. Wow. And I'm also going to take a blending brush like this and apply it to the crease. I love to add whatever blush I'm wearing to the crease. Just ties the entire look together. Next we have a powder. Now, I've tried this powder before, but I wanted to try a different shade. I am so excited. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder. This is in the shade Cherry Blossom Cake. So excited. Can't wait. Let's do it. Okay, so this is my favorite brush to do this, or to set the T-zone with. This is the Morphe and Ariel brush number A14. Still has the cap on. I'm going to take it off, and I typically just toss these. And I love that the shade is pink. Pink is my favorite color, so I was like, this is so cool. I've tapped off the excess. Now I'm going to apply this to T-zone. Quickly, I'm going to apply my powder bronzer using the Patrick Ta Duo bronzer, or the powder bronzer of the duo. And I actually do have another product from Rare Beauty. This is the Rare Beauty powder blush. I have to look it up, but I'll also put it down below. Like the shimmery powder blush. And I think aren't these new? I think they're new. And I got the shade Happy. So what I'm gonna do, I haven't even swatched it or anything. I'm going to apply a tiny bit of this and apply it to the apple of the cheek. Again, these two shades match so well. What? And I didn't plan for that. I look really rosy right now. But wow, do I love both blushes. Whoa. Oh, and I also forgot, I'm going to also apply the same blush to the crease. This is something that I've been wanting for a long time, and I'm so excited I got it. So this is the Urban Decay Moon Dust eyeshadow. This is in the shade Space Cowboy. I'm so excited to try it. I like the packaging of it. I like how it's clear. So this is what it looks like, and I actually do want to swatch it real quick. Ooh, you know what this shade reminds me of? It reminds me of Ritz from ColourPop. I'm gonna swatch it next to it. So the bottom one is Ritz, and the top one is Space Cowboy. They're definitely similar. I think Space Cowboy is a bit darker. Let's try it. I'm so excited. So I'm going to take Space Cowboy, apply this to the lids. Wow. Okay, one thing that I did forget to mention with the hair care stuff, I got this as well. This is the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal plus Coconut Oil micro exfoliating shampoo. I love this shampoo. This is one of my favorites. I haven't used it in a while and I wanted to revisit it again. I absolutely love it. I used it yesterday and it's amazing. Love it. Okay, back to the makeup. So let's see, where was I? I totally lost track. Actually, I already kind of applied my lip liner. I'm going to apply kind of touch it up a little bit because I've been kind of eating lunch. That is done. I'm gonna take my a new liquid lipstick that I got that I'm so excited to try too. This is the Anastasia Lip Velvet in Crush. I am so excited. I really enjoyed Anastasia's liquid lipsticks, so I'm so excited to try this one. So I'm only going to apply it where I did not apply my lip liner. I really like this color. It's almost like a brick red. Then I'm gonna take, I guess I'll use this. I'm gonna take my lip brush just to blend the edges a little bit. I got a new One Size Until Dawn mattifying waterproof setting spray because I absolutely love the setting spray and I wanted to get a backup. But we're going to use the current one that I'm using right now. Absolutely love the setting spray. It's one of my favorites. We should have put the highlight on first. That's okay. So I got a new highlighter from the Sephora collection. This is the Sephora Colorful Luminizer in Rose Quartz. I'm so excited to try it. I've never tried any of the Sephora collection stuff. I mean, I have tried their brushes, but nothing else. I'm also going to put it on cheeks as well. I love this highlighter. Wow, it's so pretty. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I'm definitely going to play around with all these products more. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!